my name is Sugarti. I'm here to talk to you about the protein, okay? And especially it's Nutrilite protein. Why is it Nutrilite? We can get protein from elsewhere, but why is it Nutrilite? First of all, we must understand this is the number one best selling in the world. Vitamins and dietary supplements. So that's why we have to take Nutrilite brand. And not only that, okay, why protein? Okay, proteins are made of amino acids. Okay, our body produces amino acids, but there are 9 important amino acids which our body cannot be produced. We have consumed. So in consume we have 9 important essential amino acids in this protein. Nutrilite protein. Okay, and we have 4 flavors in it. Okay, one is all plant protein, chocolate, mixed berry, and green tea flavors. Over here I have 3. Okay, the importance of protein is what? Okay, I just simply tell you, when we are lack of protein, we won't have concentrate. We can't concentrate much. We will be stressed. We will have weak hair, brittle nails, and we will be very lethargic. Okay, we must have the correct amount of protein. Okay, this is to show you 1 scoop of protein contains 10 grams of how to know how much of protein do I need. Okay, it's very simple calculation. Just convert your weight, which is in kg, right? For example, if it's 50 kg, the kg you convert to gram. Okay, 50 kg, you have to take 50 grams of protein. Some is from the food, and the balance you can take from the protein itself over here. Okay, and protein is, like I said, it is necessary from head to toe. Our body needs 80% of our body is needs protein, not rice. Okay, a lot of people will think rice is very important. No, protein is very, very important, but we cannot just completely survive on protein. We also need carbohydrates, certain percentage, but mostly is protein. That's why I'm emphasizing here. Who is it protein necessary for? It's necessary for everybody, even from a child, from a 1-year-old child till 80 or 90 years old person, the age group I'm talking about, whoever is from 1 year old. Okay, when we take this, okay, we will have concentrate. We can concentrate fully. Our body, our organs, they need protein. Like earlier I mentioned, like ligaments, tendons, all these things needs, each and every part in the cell need proteins to do repairing, maintaining. Okay, so I'll show you a demo here. If we don't have sufficient protein, we would be lethargic. Okay, I'll show you how protein gives us the energy. So everybody can just see this demo, and everybody knows about this bug science. Okay, I just make this protein little bit only I've added, just not even half scoop. I just show you the power of it. Okay, this is why we need protein. Okay, there's energy in water. Okay, we can survive 5 days without food, but without water we cannot survive. Okay, over here, you see, when we take protein, all the cells in our body will be light up and energized just like this. Okay, and what else protein does is it produces hormones. It produces enzymes, which is transmitter. It produces a kind of enzyme which it goes to the brain where we can concentrate fully. And for those who have menopause, it produces hormones, and it also produces insulin. Okay, so it's very good for people like diabetics and cholesterol patient and heart problem people. It helps in everything. It helps means, don't take it wrongly, it gives them energy, and like say, it will widen up amino acids. Certain of the amino acids will go into different types of food. Okay, thank you. I just wish you all a well-being and to take our protein and have a happy, healthy life. Thank you.